GoPani helps you to manage your water delivery business. If you do business of water delivery, click to create an account. And if you are a customer, then download customer app. Select the language according to your convenience. Log in with your registered mobile number and password. After login, you can view all customers. To add a new customer, click on the Add button and select New Contact. Enter customer related information, their name, type of payment, etc. On selecting the fixed payment, enter the fixed payment amount and also enter the number of chill and capsule jars. Enter the phone number and select the group. In the jar description, you can enter the specific rate for each jar. Choose the option based on when to deliver to the customer, like every day, alternate day, or few days of the week. Enter the date from which you have to start delivery. There is also an option for whether the customer has to deliver on Saturday or Sunday. Select the option to show the jar count on the bill. Select the option if the customer receives multiple jars delivery per day. Select which type of jar to deliver to the customer. In the payment details, enter the amount of deposit. On entering all this information, the customer will be added to your account. Enter the information related to the customer's everyday jar delivery. How many chill and capsule jars were given and returned. You can view the information related to the jar given to the customer by month. In the billing option, you can see the information of the total bill of the customer by the month and also the dues of the previous month. In the payment option, you can enter the information on the receiving payment from the customer. With the update option, you can update all the information related to the customer at any time. Customers can view jar delivery information from the green indicator along with the time, such as balance jar, deposit, etc. By clicking on today's payment, you can see the payment collection of customers who make daily and monthly payments. You can see the various details by selecting from the different filter options. GoPani has many more features which are available in the premium account. Click on the premium services to upgrade your account. Your request will be registered. All the payment facilities are provided in GoPani. The premium version of GoPani has more features available for you. You can see the list of all customers. You can see all the groups in the group option. To add customers to the new group, click on the Add button and select the Add Group option. Select customers and enter the group name. You can also change the order of customers in the group. To add a new employee to employee management, click on the Add button and select New Contact. Enter and submit information related to the employee. All information related to the delivery of the jar of the employee, such as the given and withdrawn jars, groups, jar according to the route, can be seen. In the Drawer button, there is a facility provided for the messaging. You can send a direct message to the customer from here. In the Products option, you can add product as you wish to sell and set their price. In the Expenses option, you can keep track of daily expenses of petrol, diesel, etc. In the jar report option, you can view or download sample of all types of reports of GoPani. To start the customer app for the services, contact representatives of GoPani.